Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. I am your tutor, teacher on Preply, and I'm here to make sure that your English language learning experience will be absolutely awesome. Now, whether you're here to make sure that you learn English for immigration reasons, or for work reasons, or for school reasons, or even for travel, make new friends, love, whatever reason it may be, I am here to help you. I use a lot of different resources such as GimKit, Rosetta Stone, Ling, Memrise. I use my own PowerPoint slides. I use a number of other educational software apps that you can find online, like ReadWorks and IXL and Prodigy English and a number of different great resources. I work with children as well as adults and even seniors as well. And I'm here to help. I'm here to help. I have my own resources, personal resources that I've collected over more than 33 years teaching, and about 10 of that about online. And I'm here to help. So hope to see you soon. And please choose me for a free trial, and then you will see how great I am for you.